With inhabitants under shock, a night overwhelmed with search and desolation.
The underpass at Kudon was flooded in a few seconds, trapping several people. The situation led to a big rescue operation. The police, firefighters, SMF, GIPM and specialized enterprises were on the spot. In the early evening, 2 bodies were found. Over the next hours, the number increased. At around 11, when the search operation was interrupted, 6 bodies were already found. The numerous persons present, including the close ones of missing ones, were inconsolable. Another scene of desolation at Canal Dayu. Vehicles were swept by the water torrents. Despite the absence of electricity, the inhabitants insisted to show us the damage caused. For this inhabitant, her